Hey, wonderful ladies. Tonight I will be talking about my journal essay about how an experience changed me. For my topic, I decided to talk about the team teach lessons that we do in like PD1. Um, First, my number one point is I was extremely nervous getting in front of peers. Uh, the reason I did it was for a class. It helped me because I've gotten better at being comfortable around others. Someone told me in like the comments that we get, keep smiling, you'll be a great teacher. Uh, it's helped me because, and it's like helped change me because I'm easier to talk to now. At least that's what I've been told. And I said that my professor gave me this opportunity, but now that I'm remembering what we talked about in class, I probably should change that. So it probably will get changed in the future. So thank y'all so much.